Here we have a used Zippo. Looks to be custom engraved. You light my fire. It's a 2002. I think they call this one like more their classical one. Obviously, sorry. You light my fire. I believe it was a reference to the Doors, but also a pun to it being Zippo lighter, and probably given by a significant other to their smoking counterpart at the time. So flint's removed. Pretty good condition. Doesn't appear to be used and abused too much. Put that back there. Get rid of that old. I'll probably get some Windex on this and then we'll seal it. Just gonna give it a little window cleaner. Just to make it shine before we seal it away into the collection. All right, and there we go. Try to keep our fingerprints off it, but there it is, all shiny. You light my fire. There we go. Thanks for watching.